So guys, let's take a look at what gold will be giving us for the day. But first thing first, guys, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel and you have not done that yet, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single update we will be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So guys, take a look at it right here on our forward time. We are currently at a key level. So I want you guys to have this in mind that once gold is at a key level, gold will definitely give us a reaction at that level. So have it in mind. Once gold gets to a key level, right, have it in mind that there will be a reaction at that level. Now, we will now be looking for market to give you a pattern on that level so you can go ahead to take the trade. But when you take a look at this key level right here, we are at a support level right here, guys. So gold is currently at a support level right here. This is it right here. We are currently at the support level. And guess what market has done? Market has given us a double bottom. You can see it right here. Market has given us a double bottom. You all know what a double bottom is. It's a reversal movement. Market has dropped. Now it's eventually pushed up. Then it's dropped one more time again. You can see it. Where it's eventually push up again to break the neckline. You can see that it has given us a break. It has break the neckline. Now we should be expecting a pullback and then another bullish move. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on gold. So whatever you want to be doing on your gold, you want to be looking for a buy setup right now. So you should now be anticipating for a bullish move for the day on gold. Now, if in case there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys to know and I'll give you guys the updates. So in order for you not to miss out on any single updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.